Hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So this is another edition of an update of our latest Bali makeover project. Lots happening today. We're working on the outside, so we've got the pergola going up and some railings to the stairs. We've got the kitchen cabinets and shelving put in, and we're also adding in a few bits of furniture. So really getting it ready so we can start styling and put it on that rental market. Without further ado, let's get into it. And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. One of the first things that we start to work on is to build this canopy. If you watched the last video, then you'll know that the access into this villa is really narrow. So the guys have been really creative in developing this way of bringing in the materials through the side of the villa. So everything's in and we are ready to get started with this. In the outdoor space, we are creating a beautiful experience for the guests. So it's a bit of a sun trap out here. So what we're going to do is create a canopy that sits there and provide beautiful shelter that is going to be covered with a plastic, and then it's going to have bamboo over it. They have some feet in here. We have these sunbeds over here for lounging, and we're also going to have something in this space. I know it just looks like a cover for the pool at the moment, but we're going to do something with that space as well. So it's going to be a beautiful outdoor retreat that people can enjoy, as well as enjoying the interiors. I am so excited to share something that I've been working on. It's a brand new course designed to unleash the profit potential within your short-term rental. Whether you're a seasoned host or you're just someone who is curious, a curious newbie, this course is for you. Picture transforming your beige box into a guest magnet masterpiece. We also look at unlocking the power of design to really captivate guests and boost your bookings. And we've also got so much goodies in there, real world strategies, things that I've learned both as an Airbnb superhost, but also as a designer. So no more cookie cutter layouts or uninspired decor. This course is your key to creating unforgettable experiences that have guests raving and lining up to book again. Plus, early birds get the sweetest deals. So sign up for the waiting list now, the link's in the description, and be the first to know when those doors open. YouTube. Guys are just mocking me because I'm always recording for YouTube. But they are welding and getting the framework ready. And to be honest, this stage came up so quickly. I left for a few hours and I came back and it looked like this. And then they painted it. So you could really kind of see it coming together. But the scary part, when Fanny came to put the plastic on, this is how we did it. So we have our own set of rules here in Indonesia in regards to health and safety, which, does scare me somewhat. It is kind of shocking to look at it. It's definitely not what we're accustomed to, but they get on with it and they know themselves what they're doing, and I just try to not get involved. But yeah, this is the cringeworthy moments where he stood up on this not installed plastic sheeting whilst wearing thongs, may I add. Very, very scary. Thankfully, he used a ladder for the rest of it, which was somewhat of a relief. And then once he started that, it really came together really quickly. This is what it's looking like, all finished, looking so good. It's gonna be a game changer really, because like I said, that area was such a sun trap, and it also provides some protection for the sun. This is the view from the top, so you can see it's got the plastic cover there, which also provides some shelter from the rain as well. I really wasn't a big fan of these big gaping gaps in the stairs. So I decided to ask the guys to add some railings, some timber railings, just to make it a little bit more secure. And this is what it looks like. So much better. For the kitchen, I drew this design as a shelf, and I was so impressed that the guys were able to bring the vision to life. So impressive. Just from my little scribble on a back of a piece of paper, they were able to make this shelf. The guys were also able to install the cupboards for under the sink, which is just going to give us that polished look, a bit more refined than having an exposed space like what you can see now. When the shelf was going up, I was so excited. It's one thing I really love about Bali. It's just being able to take something, you know, such as a simple drawing and, you know, knowing there's people who can just easily and readily make it for you. It's so amazing. But I just need to give you a word of warning for all my timber lovers. This is gonna get painted. I know, a travesty against timber, but there is already so much dark timber in this room that I really feel it needs a proper colour. So don't come after me, but yeah, it's not gonna stay like this. So this is what it looks like after having an undercoat. This isn't the colour I'm going for, but it is going to be kind of a bluey green colour, just bringing in some colour. You know, Moroccan aesthetic is all about those dark timbers, but it's also about vibrant bright colours as well. And I think the guys did such a beautiful job with the kitchen. So instead of a solid wooden door, we have rattan inserts, which is beautiful and tropical, you know, perfect for this climate. I also asked the guys to make me some floating shelves for the feature arches. If you remember, I have those two arches I've painted in a terracotta colour in the living room. Here they are. And I want to put floating shelves in one of them. The other one will have like a large framed photo. So here they're just prepping for that, measuring up, making sure we're all aligned, and then drill the holes in for the shelves. Simple, right? Wrong. A few hours later, I've noticed water dripping down the floor in a little puddle, and then realized something had gone wrong. So the guys had accidentally drilled into the air conditioning pipe, and that had started leaking. So we had to take the wall back and patch it up, but never mind. All right, so here's Mohammed putting up the bed in the bedroom. We're getting to that crucial stage of the project where we're putting things together. We still have some deliveries coming through, which is gonna, you know, bring things together. We're putting up mirrors in the bathroom, which is obviously necessary. And we're also putting things like curtain rails up. All these kind of things are going to help us bring it together, and then it's just going to be the final leg, which will be the styling and, you know, really elevating that space. All right, that's about it for now. I hope you're as excited as I am coming to the end of the project and really seeing it come together. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you can. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, catch you soon.